than 80% of wildfires in the U.S. are man-made. A report found that careless human activities are behind about 84% of all wildfires in the U.S. and accounted for 44% of total area burned. This includes abandoned cigarettes, campfires, and barbecues that were not put out properly, as well as so-called gender reveal parties, particularly popular in the country, where expectant parents use pyrotechnic devices to reveal a baby's gender.